So today, class, we're going to go into Chrome and Google a famous artist named Frida Kahlo. Actually, when we get to there, it'll probably tell us how to pronounce her name more properly. And so we'll just click on this first article that pops up for us, which looks like it's something from a museum. And so here we can see that is her. She's from Mexico, born 1907 to 1954. She's a painter, and her style is surrealism. So if you want, you can type in surrealism maybe, if you're interested in that. And so what I want you to do with this article is just write down some things that you found interesting about Frida. So this is what surrealism looks like. So it's like real, but with some imagination in here, it looks like. So let me know what you think about this artist that we are researching today.